This video tutorial will walk you through the process of creating an account with CT Paid Leave if you are a third-party administrator or tax accountant. Please note that before you can begin this process, you will need to establish an account with ct.gov. Instructions for how to do this can be found by clicking on the Create an Account with ct.gov link in the upper part of the homepage. Additionally, if you are a third-party administrator or tax accountant who is an employer in Connecticut, you will also need to register your business as an employer with Connecticut Paid Leave. You must do this step first before you register as a third-party administrator. For directions on registering as an employer, navigate to For Businesses and Employers, register your business, and select I am an employer. This page will give you detailed instructions and a step-by-step video for how to complete this process. Once you are ready to begin the registration process as a third-party administrator, you will begin by clicking the Sign In button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Log in using your ct.gov credentials. You will need to authenticate with the code sent to your email or cell phone. Once you are logged in, click on Register Your Business on the top part of the screen. Navigate down and under What Type of Business Do You Have, click on I am a third-party administrator. Now scroll about a quarter of the way down the page and select the green Register Your Business button. The account registration screen will open and you will see that your information is already pre-populated based on the information you provided when you created your ct.gov account. At the bottom of the page, for the business I am registering is a, use the drop-down menu to select third-party payroll provider or tax accountant as is appropriate. Then click Next. Now you will be asked to enter your federal employer ID number. If you have already registered as an employer with Connecticut Paid Leave, you will need to ensure that you use the same FEIN number that you did when you completed your employer registration. If you use the same number, you will see a message indicating that your business was already registered with the Connecticut Paid Leave Authority. Please verify and/or update your company's information. You do not want to stop the registration process here, as you do need to complete all 5 steps in order to finish your TPA registration. Proceed to review the information and make any changes as necessary. If you know your state tax ID, Secretary of State ID, or DOL registration number, please enter them now. Additionally, if you have another email address or phone number where you would like to receive information about Connecticut Paid Leave, please enter those below. If at any time you would like to save your progress to return at a later time or date, use the Save and Finish Later button. In step 3, please read the acknowledgement and place a check in the box at the bottom of the screen to acknowledge that you are authorized to act on behalf of your clients as their third-party administrator, and click on the Next button. In step 4, you have the option to add additional users. While this is an optional step, it is highly recommended that you provide information for additional users who may need access to your account. If you do not wish to complete this step now, you will have the option to add users after the registration is complete. If you do not wish to add users at this time, simply toggle this to No and click Next. Lastly, in step 5, you will review your information. Ensure that everything looks correct, and if it does, click Next. Finally, you will see a screen thanking you for registering your business. You will have the option to navigate back to the My Account for Business portal or to add another business. If you do not have any other businesses to add, this concludes your registration process, and you are now registered as a third-party administrator with Connecticut Paid Leave.